Hello, Stamper. Welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stamping Up at frenchiestamps.com. Today it's Christmas year round, and this month we're going to use the Cheerful Daisy. The stamp set inside, you see right here, I'm going to share with the dies. So this part here, so I cut that with the gold. So that's what that called. Whoops, did I lose you? No, the distress gold. So I die cut this one. It's all attached together. So you see, you get the 3 daisy and the leaf. So I die cut that, and also this one here, the bold, the outline, and then the details. So I pre-cut that, and now let me share tips on this here. And I was looking what I'm going to use for this one. So Daisy was the one. So here you could do just, do like a 2.5 by, I want to say I cut many of them. I should know 2.5 by 2 and just cut this one. But I want to share out to split that. So you see where they attach, just snip it with your scissors if you do, a bigger image. And no matter what, even if you do just like a 2.5 by 2, you're going to have the little corner, because if you don't have that, really, you would miss a petal. So you're going to have to split them no matter what. And then I'm going to come here, split and split. So now this one, it's all clean. Now, if you want to use those one, of course I'm going to use those one. I'm going to remove that little bit that I cut off there, so it's a clean cut. And here it's the same, and I get one right here. It's not much, but for me, it's bugged me, so I would clean them up. Now, these one, I won't use them on this card, so I keep a silo bag envelope in with my dies, and I put my extra there, so sometime I just need a leaf or something, boom, it's ready to go. Now, to glue this, I could have used, let me think, the adhesive sheet. I didn't, but that's okay. So before I'm going to put the glue, I'm going to take the outline and see where that match. Well, I was lucky here. Boom. So we're going to put the glue. Sorry about the noise here. And then we're going to go ahead. I just add a bit of the liquid glue. This one, it's not bad. It's the next one, the detail one. It would be great to use the adhesive sheet, but whatever worked for you, okay? Okay, now I was right and now I'm not right. What's wrong with that? I move it too much. See? Here it is. So you want to match that. See how pretty that gold is with that? And now I'm going to take the detail. That was the die. So the one in the back was this big one, and then the top it's this. Again, you want to find out exactly where, I think that go this way, no? I had a way to find it quick, and now I cannot see those three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 right here. I thought that's what's it. Maybe not. Here we go. So now I know where it is. We're going to put glue on this. And to glue on the distress gold, you want to put maybe a little bit more. It's kind of a different paper. Oh, how can I be so wrong, right? Here we go. Et voila. So now I got that. Now, I could have stamped the center, to have a bigger stamp. Where is it? This big one here. I decide to use, let me slide that. I decide to use this one right here. And that, I did that with the gold also. But what we're going to do a little bit more. I'm going to use my piercer mat here. Take from my stylus or the poke, and then I'm going to roll this in. That's going to roll this up. I don't know if you can see. Now I'm going to use a small, let me reach this here, dimensional. Put that right there. Now we're going to put that in the middle, in the center of the flower. So now for me, it don't look like a daisy anymore. For me, it looked more like a poinsettia with the red like this. Then I'm going to put that gold right here. Voila. Now we got that branch in there. I thought that's perfect for Christmas. That's when really I said, this Easter thing going to be perfect with that. And that's the one right here. I cut that in garden green. This, I really recommend that you put that with the, whatever it's called, the adhesive sheet. I embossed the white with the metal plate. It's, I think it's called the metal plate. Metal plate 3D. I embossed that. Now we're going to glue this to the garden green, and it's just a tiny border. What I mean by that, so my white measured 3.5 by 4 3/4, and this is 3 5/8 by 4 7/8. I will have all measurement. Just go to my blog. Right below, you get the direct link. Voila. And this I already pre-stamped. So brightest glow that I use, it's a carryover stamp. And inside the daisy, I stamp one, turn it a little bit, and stamp again. Excuse me. Now we're going to go ahead and attach this to our card base. All measurement, it's on my blog. So just come visit my blog. You will have all measurement and also the supplies that I use and the easy button shop 24/7. Now, like this, I told you I should add the whatever it's called, the adhesive sheet. Well, this one here, what we're going to do, it's put, oops, dimensional in the back. It's done with dimensional. So I'm going to see where I want this. That's going to be about right. And then see what I'm going to do. I'm going to put that sideways there. Oops. And then my flower going to go at the top here. I want to see which way is going to be better to put my flower. Okay, so now, oops, I'm going to put, which way I had this way. This would look pretty good. I'm going to put this one right there. Now I don't need to put at this end because we're going to put that right here. Et voila. See, don't you think that looked like Christmas now? And then I pre-done the greeting. Oops. And that again, it's from Brightest Glow, the Joy. The frame, it's part of the daisy. So it's all part of the daisy that I use. This is the frame. And we're going to put that right here. Going to offset that a little bit. I got some dimensional here that was stuck on the table. That also, I'm going to raise that up, okay? And I'm going to put it offset. I get my paper, it's off a little bit. So if that happened, we're going to put that right here. And I'm going to cut that. It was just off a bit, but it was enough. Now I don't see it. It was enough to drive me nuts, put it that way. Now we got that. We're going to go, because I was seeing the stamping there. That was not right in my book. Going to put the choice. See, I offset that there. Can have a little piece under here. I think my dimensional was been tossed around too much. Here we go. I got blinks here, regular rhinestone. I think this is empty. Is it empty or a new one? This is empty. Maybe, maybe not. No, it was a new one. Okay, now I get this. So now I just going to add here and there. And why not put right there on the J? Okay, you know I like to have odd numbers. I get 3. We're going to put 5 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Et voila, my, oops, that's too equally to me. Et voila. See how simple it is. So now we get our Christmas and then we get our birthday. So if you're new to this channel or new to my Christmas year round, this is my 3rd year in a row. So every month I try to use a regular stamp set and do a birthday card or thinking of you or a everyday card and use it for Christmas or use a Christmas stamp and use it for every day. So it's just stretch your product a little bit more. So right below you get the direct link to go to my blog. And if you scroll at the bottom, you're going to get the past 2 years. You can look at all the one that I did and also the one for this year. You're going to have the link for each month of them. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now.